the numbers were switched still remains a mystery. Was it intentional? Was it an oversight? We asked Audi for an interview, but they declined. So the world may never know for sure the true story